Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Sourav Oyaj, and this is our presentation to showcase use case diagram and use case table description. So this is our project for software engineering lab, and our lab is an online parcel management system. My name is MD Sourav Oyaj, IDC 221126, and my teammate is MD Ashadul Islam. So let's move on to the use case diagram. Here we can see that. So our project is based is on on-time parcel management system. We can see here our use case diagram, and we know that in use case diagram we have actors and use cases. So there are several actors showing in here. That is user, admin, member, and walk-in. That is the delivery man. We can see walk-in. Now, this is the full use case diagram image. We can see there are several use cases in here. That is member registration, place order, subscribe package, make payment, add order, edit order, track order, manage order, generate invoice, edit member, manage membership, add member, add package, edit package price, edit package lead, edit profile, and manage a package. Manage package. You can see that there are several actors in here. For admin can do manage order, generate invoice, manage membership, edit profile, and manage package. And we know that there are also several include extend features in the use case diagram. So if the admin want to generate invoice, it can include it can include the case of make payment. So let's move on to the use case table description. For member description, we can see that we can see that use case field goal for member registration, free condition, success end condition, failed end condition, primary actor, secondary actor, trigger, main success flow, and alternative flow, and another quality requirements. So this member registration use case is for this member registration use case is member registration, and its goal is to register a walk-in customer as a member of the delivery management system. There are some preconditions. That is, customer is a walk-in user and customer is not yet registered. So if the customer is not yet registered and customer is a walk-in user, so he can register as a user. And we have success condition, failed in conditions. So it will be the member registration will be succeed if the member profile is created and stored. Customer can log in as a member, and member registration use case will be failed if the required information is missing or invalid, and email and phone number is already is used. So in here, primary actor is walk-in, secondary actor is not applicable, trigger, and this use case diagram will be triggered when walk-in request to become a member. System allows registration form, walk-in enters data, and the walk-in submit. In here, with these cases, the trigger will be activated. Now we can see main success flow. System validates and check duplicate. System creates member ID. System confirms registration. This will be this will be considered as main success flow. We have another alternate flow, that is if validation fails or duplicate found, system shows error and asks to correct resubmit. We have quality requirements that we can validate completeness with a few seconds and member data sorted securely and protected. Now we have another use case table description, that is subscribe package. Another is place order, and another is track order. For the track order use case table, we can see the goal of track order use case is let members view current status and history of their order. So is there any active order that are ongoing in our on-time parcel management system, so user can track their order. So there are some preconditions that the user has to be logged in. The user has to be registered and logged in into our system, and the member has at least one order, and that's when user can track his order. We have another success and condition, that is system shows latest status and tracking details of selected order. This use case will be failed if the invalid order ID or not owned by member, tracking info unavailable. If these two cases are valid, then our use case track order will be failed. We have a primary actor, that is member, secondary not applicable, and this case will be triggered if the member requests to track an order. We can see there are a main success flow, alternate success flow, and the main goal of quality requirement is to track updates in near real time. And another quality requirement is only authorized members can view their order. Now, my teammate Muhammad Ashadul Islam will continue.
আমার ইয়ে দেখা যাচ্ছে।
Hmm.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ashadul Islam Rafi. My ID is C231126. Today I will brief about our Z2 project, which is on-time parcel management system. In this project, I brief about place order. Place order is main goal. Allow customer to place a delivery order. Only user can place order in this our in our project. Yeah, at this step the user select the pickup location, delivery location, and parcel type, and preferred delivery time. The system shows an estimate delivery location, delivery free, and the user confirms the order. The order with a required detail is created and stored with an order ID. Delivery information incomplete failed when delivery information incomplete or invalid. System cannot store order. That was the assigned rider. After the order is placed, the system automatically checks which rider is available and close to the pickup location. Mainly admin can also control manually assign a rider if needed. These mainly help fast pickup and efficient delivery. Rider pickup. Once the rider receives the order request, here go to the pickup location. The rider marks the parcel as picked up in the system. This status updated helps both the user and admin know that the parcel is now on the way. একটু অফ করো তো একটু অফ করো। অ্যাড ওয়াটার ইট ইউজ কেস মেন গোল হচ্ছে যে মেন গোল লেট অথরাইজ স্টাফ অ্যাড ওয়াটার্স অন বিহাফ অফ কাস্টমার্স when the rider reaches the destination. They hand over the parcel to the receiver. The rider then marks it as a delivery. This completes the delivery process from the rider side. Payment system. Payment goal enables customer to pay for orders or subscription. Yeah, after delivery, the system automatically generates the payment summary. User can pay though cash on delivery, mobile banking, online payment. All payment details are stored in admin. Admin can monitoring it. Generating invoice. Yeah, goal generating and yeah, generate and provide an invoice for complete order. The admin dashboard shows all important information such as total parcel, completed deliveries, pending pending deliveries, rider performance, daily and monthly reports. Admin also handles distributes rider issues and system updates. In short, we can see our project here. Yeah, 9 use case, which is member registration, yeah, subscribe package, yeah, parcel order, track order, edit order, manage order, add order, make payment, and genetic ingredients. Okay, okay. Hello.